Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutor Point. Today we are going to discuss exercise 6.4 of class 10th chapter progressions, topic geometric progression. Second sum, second bit. What is given here? Write three terms of the GP when the first term, that is A, and the common ratio R are given. That is A is root 5, R equal to 1 by 5. A equal to root 5, R equal to 1 by 5. So we need to find next three terms for the GP series. So before going to this, you need to know what is general term of the GP. What is general term of the GP? That is AR square, so on, AR power n. This is a general term or the nth term of a GP. So as I said in the previous video also, if we know the first term and the common ratio, then we can find any term in the GP series. So we need to find T2, T3 and T4. So what is T2 here? That is second term, AR. So A is given as root 5, R is given as 1 by 5. Then root 5 by 5, after simplification, you will get root 5 guys, 1 by root 5. Because 5 can be written as root 5 whole square, whereas root 5 and root 5 get cancelled, you will get 1 by root 5. So similarly, T3, that is A dot R square, that is root 5 into 1 by 5 whole square, that equal to, simplify, root 5 into 1 by 25. Or you can write, for easy calculation, you can write 5 into 5, right? So that equal to root 5 into 5 can be written as root 5 whole square into 5. Okay, root 5 get cancelled, you will get 1 by 5 root 5. Whereas T4 is A dot R cube, that is root 5 into 1 by 5 whole cube. Okay, that equal to root 5 into 1 by 5 is repeated 3 times. So that can be written as root 5 by root 5 whole square into 5 into 5. That equal to 1 root 5 get cancelled here. So we get 1 by root 5 into 25 guys. That equal to 1 by 25 root 5. Therefore, I'll write here. Therefore, the next three terms of the given GP series is 1 by root 5, 1 by 5 root 5, 1 by 25 root 5, so on. So this is second term, third term and fourth term. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. We'll discuss next sum in the next video. Thank you.